Well, come back my YouTube channel Road Prince, and not forget subscribe, like and comment. The Suzuki Mehran was discontinued in 2019 and replaced by the Suzuki Alto in Pakistan. However, if Suzuki were to revive the Mehran in 2025, it would likely come with modern features and upgrades while maintaining its reputation as an affordable, fuel-efficient car. Overview and key highlights. Vehicle type, compact hatchback. Seating capacity, 4 to 5 passengers. Fuel type, petrol, possibly a hybrid or CNG option. Transmission, manual and automatic CVT possible. Target market, Pakistan, India, and other budget-friendly car markets. Expected price, PKR 2.0 to 2.5 million, $7,000, $9,000. Engine and performance. Engine options, speculated 0.8 L, 796 cubic centimeters, 3-cylinder petrol engine, old model engine. 1.0 L, 998 cubic centimeters, 3-cylinder petrol engine, possible new option. Horsepower, 40-50 HP torque, 65-80 Nm, fuel efficiency, 18 to 22 km/L, improved fuel economy expected. Top speed, 140-160 km/h, transmission, 5-speed manual, standard. Continuously variable transmission, CVT, automatic model possibility. Exterior and dimensions. Body style, 5-door compact hatchback. Design upgrades, expected more aerodynamic shape for better efficiency. Updated headlights with LED DRLs. New alloy wheels, 14-inch or 15-inch. Modern front grille and bumper design. Dimensions, estimated length, 3 400 mm width, 1 500 mm height, 1 400 mm wheelbase, 2 200 mm ground clearance, 160 mm, good for rough roads. Interior and features. Dashboard, modern digital instrument cluster. Infotainment, 7-inch touchscreen, standard in higher trims. Comfort features, air conditioning, standard in all variants. Power windows, front and rear in top model. Remote keyless entry. Fabric or synthetic leather upholstery, optional. Seating capacity, 4 to 5 people. Storage, decent boot space with foldable rear seats. Safety and technology. Braking system, anti-lock braking system, ABS, expected. Electronic brake force distribution, EBD, possible. Airbags, 2 front airbags, minimum requirement. Build quality, stronger chassis for better crash safety. Reverse parking sensors and camera, top variant. Central locking and immobilizer for security. Pricing and market availability. Expected launch, no official confirmation from Suzuki. Expected price, PKR 2.0 to 2.5 million, $7,000 to $9,000. Market availability, if launched, the car would be available in Pakistan, India, Bangladesh, and some African markets as an entry-level hatchback. Conclusion. If Suzuki revives the Mehran in 2025, it will likely come with modern safety features, a refreshed design, and improved fuel efficiency while maintaining its affordability. However, as of now, Suzuki has not announced any plans to relaunch the Mehran, and the Alto continues to be the successor in budget-friendly car segments.